Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, we
Fine.
are fine. Ma'am, how are you?
How are you? How are you?
Ma'am, how are you?
I am also fine. I'm also fine with us. Okay. Today we are going to start with the third lesson of civics. That is how the state government works. Now, in the previous
Ma'am, my voice is coming very slow.
Yes, ma'am. It is coming very slow.
uh,
No, ma'am, it is fine.
I'm not this much slow.
this much slow is not
Yes, ma'am.
actually, if really I speak, I'm not feeling well from last 2 3 days. I'm suffering from fever. That is why means little bit problem is there. Uh, if you are not able to hear, then I can speak little louder also. But if you can,
No, no, ma'am, no problem, ma'am.
okay. Then today we are going to start with the state government works, how the state governments work. Previously, in the previous lesson, we have studied about the role of the government in the health, in the improvement of the health. Now keep your audio off, everyone. Keep your audio off, then only you will be able to listen carefully. Everybody keep your audio off.
Can't
Hello.
hear. What put on?
Vidhi, keep your audio off. Bhumika, Vidhi, keep your audio off. Okay, fine. So in a previous class, second lesson of civics, we have clearly understood about the role of the government in health in improving the health condition of its citizens. Now here in this lesson, totally different. We are just going to read about the state government works, how the state government, the government at the state level works for the benefit of the country, for the benefit of its people. Clear? Now last year, if you remember, we have discussed the fact that the government works at the three levels. Are you all aware about that government at three levels?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Local, local government is there, then state government is there,
Ma'am, state. Ma'am, फिर national.
and then national. Very good. National level is there. So three levels of the government is there. Local government looks for the welfare and the administration of the local people. Clear? Particular region, particular area. State government is responsible for the whole state, and the nation government is responsible for the work on welfare for the people for the national level. Now look at the work of the local government in some detail. You have already learned about the work of the local government in detail in the last year class. Now in this chapter, we will examine the work of the government at the state level. Now the how the government works at the state. Till now, wait, students are coming. So now how the government at the state level works for the welfare of the people, for the benefit of the people. Now, how does this take place in our democracy? As we all know that our country, India, is a yes, Nana, you want to ask anything?
Ma'am, you have to start from page number 33.
Page number?
33.
We have already started with this.
Yes, ma'am. Last class, ma'am, after geography, ma'am, we started this civics lesson.
Okay, fine, no problem. We'll start.
Paragraph.
Okay, okay. No problem. Just a continuation, just an intro I will give. So in our country, that is India as a democratic country, what is the role of MLA? We have read about Ministers of Legislative Assembly, the full form of MLA, Minister of Legislative Assembly, and the ministers and all we will read. We have also read about the this storyboard, how the two students are talking among each other about which problem they are talking. Can anybody remember?
Ma'am, diarrhea.
Ma'am, about water shortage.
Ma'am,
About the
Diarrhea.
diarrhea, about the
ma'am,
what
water
first,
shortage.
about first and foremost thing is about the water shortage we have
Water
seen.
shortage.
And then while going passing through the market, what they had seen, that they were stopped by whom they
Ma'am,
were?
lady police.
Lady
Ma'am,
police.
lady police.
Lady police. Then what lady police has said? What lady police has
Ma'am,
said?
Ma'am,
MLA.
that
Ma'am,
MLA is,
ma'am,
ma'am, they
ma'am,
said
MLA
that the MLA
in
is
front of
resident.
MLA.
Ma'am, this road is blocked due to MLA has come.
MLA has come there because of MLA area is
Due to the
surrounded. MLA has been surrounded by the people there. Why it has been surrounded? क्यों उसको घेराव, हिंदी में यहाँ लिखा हुआ है वर्ड घेराव, घेराव कर लिया गया है. क्यों घेराव किया गया है MLA को?
Ma'am, father, ma'am, things that have not been done.
Shortage of water, ma'am.
Because of shortage
I'm
of
blaming for
water,
shortage of water.
because for the welfare, for the caring of its people, it is a work of MLA, and they are suffering from the diarrhea or waterborne diseases. That is why they are all blaming MLA for the present situation which is there in the Patalpuram. Clear? That is why there who is giving the speech? Who is the leader?
Ma'am, the position, ma'am, the member of
Ma'am, the
opposition.
leader of the opposition member.
Very good. So basically, we have read about that it is showing us, it is showing that the introduction of reading a paper telling one another about the water shortage in that storyboard. Now we come to here, this paragraph I will start with. Every state in India has a legislative assembly. हर state में एक legislative assembly होती है who used to now legislature. What is the work of legislature? You have read about 3 organs of the government. 3 organs:
Yes, ma'am.
legislature, executive, and
Yes, ma'am.
judiciary. So every state has in India has a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into different areas and constituencies. Now, what does the word constituency means? A particular area from which all the voters living there choose their representatives. Means pura state during the at the time of election, it is divided into different areas for the voters to give the vote to their representatives. Particular हर area का एक representatives को choose करने के लिए वो पूरा area को divide कर दिया जाता है, state को divide कर दिया जाता है into different areas, that is called as constituencies. Now, for example, look at the map below. It shows that the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. From each constituency, the people elect one representative who then become the member of legislative assembly. So how the people become the member of the legislative assembly? The people elect one representatives from each constituency. So here, this is a map. Here we can see that it is divided into so many, one state only divided into so many groups, so many areas, so many constituencies we can say then यहाँ से हर constituency में voters vote cast करते हैं किसको? Political parties को, which are standing for the election purpose, and one representative is been elected by the people from each constituency, and that it becomes the MLA of the Legislative Assembly, member of the Legislative Assembly. You would have noticed that people stand for elections in name of different political parties. आपने सोचा देखा भी होगा, when elections are being held, the different political parties are there. Can you name any political party? Any political parties you can name which are standing for the election?
Ma'am, Bhajpa.
Bhajpa.
Ma'am, Bhajpa.
BJP, then Congress.
Ma'am, INC.
INC, Indian National Congress, yes. So many, apart from these two, so many other political parties also stand for the election to win the post, the seat for the government, and then they form the government. So what you have noticed, people stand for election in the name of the political different parties. These MLAs therefore belong to different political parties. ये जो MLA हैं, members हैं, ये different political parties को belong करते हैं. Now how do people who are MLAs become minister or chief minister? जो MLA बनते हैं, जो choose हो जाते हैं लोग वोटर्स के द्वारा वो कैसे मिनिस्टर्स और चीफ मिनिस्टर बनते हैं. Now political parties whose MLA have won more than half a number of constituency in a state can be said to be the majority. Now underline this, what is a majority? What is a majority? अब कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसके एमएलए, जिसका मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली ने बहुत ज्यादा मींस इन द सेंस वी कैन से हाफ ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, मोर देन हाफ, आधे से ज्यादा जो ये डिवीजन हुआ है स्टेट का, आधे से ज्यादा उसने विन कर लिया है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज, तो वो क्या आ गया है, मेजोरिटी में आ गया है. क्लियर, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों ने उसको चूज कर लिया है बाय इलेक्टिंग, तो दैट मीन्स इट इज फ्रॉम द मेजोरिटी पार्टी. एंड द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दैट हैज द मेजोरिटी इज कॉल्ड द रूलिंग पार्टी. और जो मेजोरिटी जिसको मिलती है, जो लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा मीन्स कास्ट वोट कास्ट करके जिसको चूज करते हैं, दैट इज फ्रॉम द मेजोरिटी पार्टी एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रूलिंग पार्टी, बिकॉज फाइनली दैट मेजोरिटी पार्टी विल फॉर्म द government and it will be the ruling party and all other members are called the opposition. और जो बाकी के दूसरे जो political parties के members खड़े होते हैं वो कौन होते हैं फिर, opposition party के. Clear about majority and opposition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मेजोरिटी को तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा वोट मिलता है और ऑपोजिशन को जिनको लेस वोट मिलता है, दैट इज फॉर्म्स द we can say the opposition party. Now the Legislative Assembly of the state of Himachal Pradesh has 68 MLA constituency. This is just the information given here. Vidhi, mute yourself, beta. Now result of assembly election in Himachal Pradesh in 2017. 2017 data is given where Bharatiya Janata Party got 40. Indian National Congress got 21, Communist Party got 1, and independents who don't belong to any party, that is independent, तो उनको कितने वोट बोले, 62. टोटल कितने हुए, 68. So which is the majority party in this data? If we will find out which is the majority party.
Ma'am,
BJP. Ma'am, Bharatiya Janata Party.
And others are opposition party, because Bharatiya Janata Party will finally form the government and will be the ruling party. The other will be the opposition party. Clear? So candidates from the various political parties won the 2017 assembly elections and become MLAs. 2017 assembly election में political parties में candidates खड़े हुए और उन्होंने election जीता. Since the total number of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is 68, the political party would have needed to have more than 34 MLAs. Total कितने हैं, 68. तो more than half की बात कर रहे हैं. The person who will receive, the minister who will receive, or political party who will receive more than half. So that means 34 कम से कम उसको votes मिलने चाहिए in order to gain the majority. And कितना मिला इनको, भारतीय जनता पार्टी को 44. That means it was more than half only, so it forms the ruling party. All the other MLAs become the opposition. In case of Indian National Congress was the major opposition party. सबसे ज्यादा opposition party किसकी थी, Indian National Congress की, because just after BJP the number of ministers appointed was of Indian National Congress.
Indian National Congress, INC.
Very good. Among the opposition were other political parties, including those who had been elected as independent candidates. Also, independent के रूप में भी लोग खड़े हुए और उन्होंने भी election fight करा, but they were not able to get the proper number of votes. Now, underline this also. The head of the state is governor. Who is the head of the state?
Governor.
And he or she is appointed by whom? Governor might be female.
Central government.
Central government.
Yes. To ensure that the state government works within the rules and regulations of the constitution, it is said that or the government, whether it is the main head or the ruling party, but then also it had to work according to the rules and regulations which are prescribed in the constitution. That is not so कि अगर चलो गवर्नमेंट आ गई है मेजोरिटी पार्टी विन करके गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म कर रही है तो दे विल डू वॉट एवर दे फील लाइक. नो, दे हैव टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. उनके लिए भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस फ्रेम किए गए हैं in the constitution how the government should work or what which government should work. That means the which minister will work, which work will be done by which minister. This is all mentioned in the constitution. That government form कर दी तो कोई finance minister बना, कोई administrative बना, कोई कुछ और बना, तो they are all having their own specific work prescribed by the Indian constitution. Clear? Now after the
Yes,
election,
ma'am.
the MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister. Now how the chief minister is elected? Now the party who had won, कोई भी पार्टी जो जीत गई है, that is the ruling party, it will elect their leader. अब वो अपने सहमति से लीडर चूज करेगी जिसको ज्यादा से ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिलेगा. उस रूलिंग पार्टी में जिस मिनिस्टर को ज्यादा से ज्यादा सपोर्ट मिलेगा, it will become the chief minister. Now in this case the BJP MLAs choose Shri Jairam Thakur as the leader and he became the chief minister. The chief minister then selects other people as minister. अब chief minister जब select हो जाते हैं with the majority of other ministers, then it is the duty of the chief minister to select other people as ministers. That is financial minister, administrative minister, or foreign minister, or we can say other categories which are available in the government offices. So those ministers are also appointed by the chief minister. Then after the election, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and the other ministers. So after the election is held, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister. अब governor of the state है वो chief minister appoint करता है and the other ministers, और जो दूसरे other ministers है वो. Clear? Now the chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government. Now who has the responsibility of running the various government departments or ministries?
Ma'am, the
Chief Minister.
other ministers.
Yes, chief minister and other ministers. Now chief minister and other ministers are appointed by whom?
Ma'am,
Governor of the state.
Governor of the.
Ma'am, governor of the state.
Very good. So now the chief minister and the other ministers have the responsibility of running various governments, departments, ministries, and then they have a separate offices. They also have the separate offices. A legislative assembly is a place. Now what is a legislative assembly? Underline this. What is a legislative assembly?
Three organ of government.
One of the three organs. The legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling or from the opposition, meet and discuss various things. That is called as legislative assembly. Clear? Assembly. Assembly means where the members of the ruling party also and from the opposition party also meet and discuss the various things for the welfare of its people. Now hence some MLAs have dual responsibility. कुछ MLA के double responsibility होती है. Dual responsibility means two responsibilities are there. One as an MLA, एक तो एक as an MLA, and second as a
Other as a minister.
other as a minister. एक तो MLA के रूप में वो काम करता है, member of the legislative assembly है, और एक तरीके से दूसरा भी वर्क है as a normal minister also. Clear? So MLA has how many responsibilities?
Two responsibilities. One is the MLA and the other as a minister.
Yes. Now we will read about this further. Now debate in the legislative assembly. Now what was the debate in the legislative assembly? Now here Afreen, Sujata and many other students from their school traveled to the state capital to visit the legislative assembly. Now these are the students. They had visited what? They had visited the capital to
State capital.
to visit the legislative assembly. उनको legislative assembly देखनी थी कि कैसे legislative assembly organize होती है, कैसे meetings held होती है legislative assembly में. which was housed in the impressive building. बहुत ही impressive building थी वो legislative assembly में. Impressive means beautiful building थी इस legislative assembly की. Now the children were excited to see this assembly after security checks. पूरा security के साथ ये लोग enter हुए थे. After security checks, they were taken upstairs. फिर उनको ऊपर ले जाया गया. There was a gallery from where they could see the large hall below, and they were taken to a gallery. After a security check, they were taken to upstairs in a gallery where they could see what a large hall, and there was a row and rows of desks. और उस large hall में उनको क्या दिखाई दे रहा था? Many rows and rows of the desk. Clear? Now the assembly was going to have a debate on the current problem. अब assembly में किसकी assembly meeting होने वाली थी? On the debate on current problem. कोई current problem थी, emergency थी, कोई problem create हो गई थी, उसके related वहां पर debate होने वाली थी. Now what is a debate? Can anybody tell me? What is a debate? Argument. है ना? Some people go against the topic, some people go for the topic. That is a debate.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the
Yes,
debate
ma'am.
was being held and done by the government. Those who wish to can respond to this, and the minister can them replies to the question and tries to ensure. Now the during this time MLAs can express their opinion. अब इस समय assembly जब हो रही थी, debate हो रही थी, तो इसमें MLAs then they can express their opinions. उनका क्या opinion है for that current problem? They can give their opinion. They can also ask the questions related to that problem. Even they can give the suggestions. So what all things were happening in the assembly? They were discussing the problem, current problem.
Ma'am,
They were able to
ma'am,
give their, yes. They were able to give their opinions. उनका क्या opinion है उस problem के related? They can do that. Plus they can also ask the question why that problem was created. Even they can suggest some measures to rectify that problem. उस problem को sort out करने के लिए भी कुछ suggestions दे सकते थे. So all these things were going to happen in the debate. Now about what should be done by the government. Now those who wish to can respond to this. जो चाहता था वो इसके रिस्पॉन्स में अपना सजेशन, अपना ओपिनियन, अपना क्वेश्चंस पुट अप कर सकते थे. Now the ministers then replies to the question and tries to ensure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. अब मिनिस्टर रिप्लाई करता है और जो भी क्वेश्चंस पुट अप किए जाते हैं उस असेंबली में, then it is the duty of the ministers to reply those questions, and they should ensure the ministers, those whether of the ruling or whether of the opposition party, whosoever is attending this assembly, they had to ensure all the members that adequate steps, proper steps will be taken to sort out the problem. Clear? Clear this paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the chief minister and other ministers have to take decisions. Who has to take decision? The chief minister and the other
Chief
minister.
Minister,
Because they are
other
Other
minister.
minister.
they are forming the government, so have to take decisions and run the government. We usually hear about them or see them in the news channel. कभी कभी हम उन्हें news channel या papers में देखते हैं for that particular topic. Now however, whatever decisions are being taken to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly, कोई भी decision लिया जाता है by chief minister or other ministers, it had to be taken getting the approval of the members of the legislative assembly. जो भी members है legislative assembly में, उन सबका approval से ही any decision can be taken by the chief minister and other ministers. Now in a democracy, these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent on, etc. They have the main authority. Now in this democracy, in a democracy, in our country like India, we have a democratic form of government. Now our members to whom we have chosen for the government purpose, now they have the right to ask question for particular problem. They had a right to debate with the ministers of the Legislative Assembly, and the ministers can decide where the money should be spent for what purpose. Clear? Now this is the debate. It is given
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
MLA 1. What is the problem? That it is a constituency of Akhandgaon. During the last 3 weeks, 15 deaths were there for our diarrhea. Means the problem, current problem is of diarrhea. MLA 1 is giving. Now these, you can read yourself. This is just a debate of
Yes, ma'am.
MLAs means मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव. ये हमने देख लिया कि लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में कुछ बच्चे देखने गए हैं कि कैसे असेंबली हो रही है, कैसे डिबेट हो रहा है. And now debate is there between the different MLAs, ministers of legislative assembly. Now these are the different MLAs. That is MLA 1 about his problem is discussing and how to control the situation. MLA 2 that the government hospitals in the bad situation and all, giving his own decision about the problem. Then MLA 3 is giving his views of his region, that is Tolpatti, for the water scarcity, that they had to collect the water. His area people had to collect water from long distances. So ये अपने discuss कर रहा है problem के लिए. And MLA 4 are also giving that what steps they have taken for the solution of the problems of the water scarcity in the area. Then MLA 5, they are also discussing about the solution of the problems, that proper medical staffs been appointed, few hospitals have been opened and all. So all the discussion. MLA 6 is the MLA of opposition member and are unnecessarily blaming the government. Now MLA 6, who is the member of the legislative assembly, opposition member, ये एक ऑपोजिशन मेंबर है, ये रूलिंग मेंबर को नहीं, रूलिंग पार्टी को नहीं बिलोंग करता है. ये अपोज कर रहा है वॉट एवर कंडीशंस आर देयर इन द डिफरेंट रीजन्स. वो अपोज कर रहा है कि ये सब ब्लेम किसको जाता है, द रूलिंग पार्टी को. एंड दिस इज द व्हाट, दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ ऑपोजिशन पार्टी ओनली टू ब्लेम द गवर्नमेंट फॉर वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम्स आर अराइजिंग, है ना, सो दैट गवर्नमेंट कैन टेक प्रॉपर steps related to those problems and can sort out the problems immediately. So this is MLA 6. I hope you will read all these debates. You will read out.
Yes, ma'am.
In short,
Yes, ma'am.
in short, I have explained.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in the earlier section,
Yes.
I have read about the debate in the legislative assembly.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने legislative assembly की debate आपने अभी मैंने short में बताया है आपको. The members were debating about the action taken or not taken by the government. कोई भी action जो गवर्नमेंट ने लिया है या नहीं लिया है,
Yes,
उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट को ब्लेम कर रहे हैं सारे. This is because
Yes.
MLA are together responsible for the work of the government. Now whatever work is being done by the government, everything is dependent on the procedure of the government, what steps it is taking, whether it is taking good steps or not, whether it is beneficial for the people or not. So all the responsibility of the work falls on the government, that is the ruling party. In the common usage, the word government, now underline this, the government refers to गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. एक प्रॉपर नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट है तो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में बैठ के जो डिबेट कर रहे हैं वही गवर्नमेंट.
Ma'am, 840 is there, ma'am.
हाँ
840 is there, ma'am.
Beta, I am not able to understand what you are telling. So various.
Ma'am, time is over, ma'am.
हाँ टाइम इज ओवर.
Time over.
हाँ ये पैराग्राफ में एंड कर रही.
Ma'am,
Government refers to the government departments, various government departments and various ministries who head them. अलग अलग ministers अलग अलग government departments में head होते हैं. They are responsible for their own government departments. The overall head is the chief minister. Now who is the overhead? Overall head is the chief minister
Chief
of the
Minister.
government departments. More correctly, they are called as executive part of the government. और जो भी government departments में ministers हैं, they are all called as the executive part of the government. They execute the work. Clear? Execute means they bring the work in order. All the MLAs who gather together, that is assemble in the legislative assembly, are called the legislature. Underline this. What is a legislature? जो MLAs एक साथ assembly में gather होते हैं, they are called as a legislature, and they are one who authorized to supervise the work. As we saw earlier section, it is all from among them that the head of the executive or the chief minister is formed. और इन्हीं में से head of the executive या chief minister form किया जाता है. Clear? In MLS में से ही. I hope the
Yes, ma'am.
lesson till here it is clear. If any doubt, you can ask
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
next class. Till then, read till here and read the debate also. Clear? Now next we will start with the
Yes,
working of
ma'am.
the government. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Still I'm
Have a nice day.